Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss app configuration, its backend configuration and file upload. So in our last video, we see how we can create a app from search ad UI. So today we are going to see how it will look like and what are the configuration we could update it manually via re-uploading the app again. So let's go. So my Splunk is installed into the C drive, so I'll go there. And if you guys have remembered the last video we have created a app called Unified, so I'm going into the Splunk folder under Splunk etc, then apps, and I will search for the Unified. So you see Unified library, it is available here. I will show you again in the UI. So I will log into my laptop, my Splunk local machine. So here it look like a unified library, which is the name of the app, and in backend it's like unified library and it's underscore. So it's mandatory while you creating the apps from the UI. So now we'll go inside and we'll see what are the configuration available, what are the folder. So bin folder, it's first is the bin folder which is for binary. Binary is nothing but any executable file that you can place it here, and then you can use it into your UI. You can execute, like you can place here, you can call it to from UI or from CLI, from where you want to execute it. The second is default directory. So whatever configuration we did from the UI, all the configuration will be come from inside the default directory. So app.conf, which is one of the important file, I'll just explore here it. If you open it, you'll see Splunk app configuration. So install means it's configured, means it is installed. Zero means yes, it is configured. Visible means yes, one means it is visible. Label, what it look like under the apps. Launcher, under the launcher. Author, like you can give your name while you're creating in any of the organization, or if you have any generic name that you could specify, you so you can contact with the person who has the responsibility of this app. Either you can give the username, or either you can give admin or your name, maybe according your environment. The description I just given, this is my test tab, maybe you are creating for any application, you can put that description. The version is 1.0.0, so this is the initial format, and now next time when you will upgrade it, you can make it to 1.10.1 or something, like whatever you think that is, it should be point 1 increase, 2 increase, or 3 increase according to that. Now next configuration, if I would go to the data in the same folder, default folder under data and UI, so there are two folder I see. So first is the navigation folder. Navigation is nothing, I will show you into the UI one more time. If I just click on the unified library, what is the navigation? Like search, analytics, dataset, report, alert, and dashboard. So navigation is nothing but this first, first this six tab is by default it will be adding while we are using the bare bones as, as a sample of the app while we are creating the apps from the UI. So these six tab will be automatically add, and how they look like into the backend I will show. So so this is the XML file, you can modify it later or you can modify it from there itself. So if I'll just go and open it, how they look like search, which is search view. The first is search tab, which is default, like whenever you are logged in, so which tab it should go first. Then analytics workspace, data set, report, alert, like it is exactly same sequence, whatever it is showing here, the same sequence is coming here. So you can modify it, I will show you how you can modify it from backend or you can modify it from the UI itself. So I just close it right now. Now go back to the next folder. Now you click on the views. So views are nothing but the dashboard. So any dashboard you will create it inside the app, so it will be stored under views. If I just go inside this folder, so you don't find just read me the default file, nothing, just few instruction. So we don't have any views, that's why this folder is empty. So I'll just go back, next folder, local. So now this is app.conf file. So whatever changes will made it from the UI, so this file is empty because locally we cannot modify this file. And I'll just go back. So app.conf file is empty because we have did the default configuration while we created the apps. Now what is the importance of the local? So whatever we will make, will make the change into this that file. If any inputs we are creating, if I would say any other changing any permission or anything like that, all will be stored into the local instead of default. So whatever we created initially, that goes into the default, but locally if any changes, any file will create, any probes and transform file we create, so that will come and store into the local directory. Now I'll go back, then metadata. So these two files, so default metadata is nothing but it's giving the permission over the your knowledge objects. Like what permission? So by default it's a read for everyone. So star means it's it for everyone, right? Only admin and power user. So event type, export system, probes, export system. So these are the some basic configuration, probes and transformation you will see in my next videos. Maybe it will take some time because these are advanced configuration, so I'll create definitely. And these are the permission on views and permission on other knowledge object. Similar to the default meta, this file is also describe the permissions and also maintain the version. Like what is the version of your Splunk 9.3.1? What is the version of app launcher? This is 9. So app launcher, this is a app, it's a default app. So what is that launcher? And this is also UI is a app. So so mostly they are same, because this match with the Splunk version. What is the modification time, like when it was last modified? So almost all files and folder we have gone through, guys, and these are look like from the front end how it look like the app, and from back end how it look like the app. So I have described. Please let me know if you have any doubt or you wanted to explore anything more. Maybe coming videos I will show you how you can upload and upgrade an app, and how you can change the navigation into the app. So coming videos you will see, I'll create a lot of short videos, so you guys don't have to spend much time. You can within 5 to 6 minutes I will cover have small topics, so you'll have a without wasting time, you directly I will just interact with the topic. I don't want to speak more. Thank you guys and thanks a lot. Please support, watch, like, share, subscribe our channel.